In this lesson, I'm going to talk about trigonometry. The question is, alpha is an angle in quadrant 4. Tangent pi subtract double alpha equals to negative 13 divided by 12. The question asks for, what is the value of tangent alpha? This is terminal side of the angle alpha. The angle alpha in quadrant 4. This is a straight line. This is alpha. We need to find the value of tangent alpha. We are given tangent pi subtract double alpha equals to a negative value. Now we use the formula tangent pi subtract beta equals to negative tangent beta. And we are using the formula tangent double alpha equals to 2 times tangent alpha divided by 1 subtract tangent alpha square. So tangent pi subtract double alpha equals to negative tangent double alpha, which equals to negative 13 divided by 12. So we get tangent double alpha equals to 13 divided by 12. And tangent double alpha equals to 2 times tangent alpha divided by 1 subtract tangent alpha square. This equals to 13 divided by 12. Now we apply cross multiplication. So 12 multiply 2 times tangent alpha equals to 13 times 1 subtract tangent alpha square. So 12 multiply 2 is 24. Tangent alpha equals to 13 subtract 13 times tangent alpha square. Now move the 13 and 13 times tangent alpha square to left side of the equation. We go to next page. So we get 13 tangent alpha square plus 24 tangent alpha subtract 13 equals to 0. Now, we let tangent alpha equals to t. So, this equation becoming 13 times t squared plus 24 times t. Subtract 13 equals to 0. This is one variable second-degree equation. We use the formula to solve this equation. So t 1 and 2 equals to denominator is 2a, numerator negative b, positive negative, square root b squared subtract 4ac, in which a equals to 13, b equals to 24, c equals to negative 13. So this equals to 2a 2 times 13 negative 24 positive negative square root b squared is 24 squared, subtract 4 times a is 13, times c is negative 13. Solve for this. We get two values. One, t1 is 0.44. t2 is negative 2.28. So we get tangent alpha 1 equals to positive 0.44, and the tangent alpha 2 equals to negative 2.28. Because we are given the angle alpha lies in quadrant 4, so tangent alpha is a negative. So in our case, tangent alpha, the solution tangent alpha equals to negative 2.28. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.